it becomes very painful. All right, so once again, very similar to the bunion, all right, except we want to keep the toe, all right, from hyperextending. All right, because hyperextending is very painful for them, all right, the extension of the toe. So we were trying to get them to be able to play. Hopefully you can play, cut, change direction and all that, as long as we take away a little of this. Now granted, we're not going to take away all this. No matter what, change direction, plant, cut, you're going to push off. And when you push off your toe, all right, your toe gets, all right, the way your ball of your foot is and your flex and push, I mean, you're going to get that position. But we're going to try to take some of that away and still hopefully that they're effective. So once again, tape spray. Couple locking strips. Once again, depending on how big their foot is, would be how many locking strips. Probably get by with one on hers. Okay. Same thing around the big toe. Another locking strip. All right. Now we want to keep the toe out of that position. So I'm going to bring her down into neutral or even a little bit below neutral to make sure, all right, that she can extend her toe. All right, because that's too painful for her. All right, so once again, we want a few of these strips. The key to this, though, one, the tape spray, and then two, pulling her toe so it's definitely not going to be able to extend. Once again, I'll put a couple of these on, 3 or 4, to kind of fan them out a little bit. So I put one down the middle, one down the left, one down the right. Usually they're okay. Put them on so that they don't wrinkle. Conform it to their foot. Okay. Lock it off up top. Make sure it's all on good. Now, bring your toe up, okay? All right, that probably should be a little bit tighter. All right, I don't even want that much movement. So the one problem with tape is it loosens up, and we're not using the tape spray so it doesn't stick as well. But I'd want this toe maybe even a little bit more so she can't extend it that much. But it does limit her, okay? All right, right there, I can feel that it's stopping her. All right, and tape loosens up, so I might even go a little. You can always tape it tight, and then if they don't like it, you know, at halftime, okay, we'll do it again real quick. All right, change it up a little. All right, so you have sprain toe, 1, 2, 3, lock off, lock off. You have bunion, lock, lock, 1, 2, 3, lock, lock.